Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to give you an in-depth tutorial about ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning authoring software of Atomy Systems. I designed this tutorial to help new users of ActivePresenter understand how this program works, and how you can make use of its cool features. Here are the key features of ActivePresenter, which you can easily find out on their homepage. There are many demo videos about what you can create with ActivePresenter there too. So, I am not going to repeat the information that you can read later. I will jump right into the program now.
So welcome to my channel.
Here's the start page of ActivePresenter when you open the program. On top left corner is your edition information. I am currently using its Pro version. If you use a free version, that information will be displayed here. All ActivePresenter's key features can be accessed in this area too. On the right side are ActivePresenter slide templates, and downloadable examples, and help page. All these resources are available once you've finished the installation of the program on your computer. Let's go ahead to the first feature, recording screen from your computer. At the start page, you can click Record Video to launch ActivePresenter's recording toolbar. This feature is useful when you want to make instructional videos such as how-to videos, demo videos, meeting recordings, YouTube videos, video lessons, webinar recordings and so on. Your computer's screen will be captured in one slide, instead of multiple slides when you use recording software simulation feature. I often use this feature when making software tutorials on my channel with ActivePresenter. You can check out my videos to see the quality of the recordings. Here is ActivePresenter recording toolbar. Click here for full screen recording. And here for recording a specific area on the screen. With ActivePresenter, you can select a screen resolution from this drop-down menu, or your custom area. Your screen will be recorded inside this blue rectangular line. You can also lock an application to record, such as a web browser, or a running application on your computer by checking this box. And select a running application from this drop-down menu. To record screen with webcam, or audio, click these button on the recording toolbar. Click this little gear icon to configure your recording settings before you start. Here you can change video codec, choose record with edited mouse cursor, or set up the hotkeys for start and stop your recording. That's how you can start a normal screen recording using ActivePresenter. Let's go ahead to the second option you can try to record screen in ActivePresenter, which is record software simulation function. This function is helpful when you want to teach others how to use a software with interactive actions. By using record software simulation, your recording will be presented in multiple slides. Whenever you perform a mouse click, the software will record that mouse click, and automatically add an annotation to explain your action. And recording webcam is disabled in this feature. So, remember to use this function when you want to create interactive software simulations, not normal software tutorial videos. Alternatively, you can also start your recording when you're working in the main workspace. Let's take a look at some example videos I created with ActivePresenter using its screen recorder. This is a software tutorial I made by recording my computer screen, add different annotations, zoom and pan effect to teach users how to make a slow motion video using Filmora video editor. This tutorial is also available on my channel. Check it out to see how the final result looks like. With ActivePresenter, once you finish your recording, you will be redirected to the main workspace, where you edit video, add existing video on your computer into the timeline, add shapes, text, and special effect here. I published over 50 different short tutorial videos about ActivePresenter on my channel. You can check out the playlist and put in the description to learn other tips and tricks. From my point of view, ActivePresenter is no doubt one of the best options for those of you who want to make tutorial videos, or online training videos. It has unique features that no other simple screen recorders have. That's the first part of my tutorial about ActivePresenter. In the next part, I will show you how to create an e-learning course using ActivePresenter. If you're interested in creating e-learning courses, click on the end screen annotation to watch my tutorial.